Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite Unavailable on Epic Games Launcher. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, first things first, you want to completely close Epic Games Launcher and you want to also close it via Task Manager. Basically, it should be turned off completely. After that, you want to go on search. Write down Epic Games Launcher, and after that, right click on it and open file location. After you have done that, this will open up. And again, once you will find Epic Games Launcher, again, right click on it and also open file location. On this one, you want to go ahead and click on Properties. And on Properties, click Compatibility and run this program as administrator, apply, and click OK. Now, you want to try to open up your Epic Games Launcher and see if the problem has been fixed. Now, if the problem still persists, you want to go ahead to your settings on Epic Games Launcher, right there, settings, scroll down until you will see Edit Wall Cache Location. Click on it, click Reset and Apply. After you've done that, it should fix the problem and basically try to launch Fortnite. Now, the last thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Run Administrator and write down percentage local app data percentage. Click OK, open it up, and then you will find Epic Games Launcher, and Fortnite game. If everything is closed, go ahead and delete all the files, Epic Games Launcher, and Fortnite game. And after that, your problem should be fixed. If not, the only other option would be to log into a different Epic Games Launcher account and then install Fortnite there. So basically, just change the account. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.